All right, hey, big shout out to our boy Luke B at Howard's Cams, who overnighted us a cam kit, cam and push rods to the track at Tulsa. I want to say thanks to him.
Oh yeah.
Nope. All right, so here back at Stevens after Mega Week, Insane Week, craziest event I've ever been to.
It was awesome.
Bar none. I can't explain it. If you want to see feelings come out, go over to Drag Driver Pete. We're doing a show on Wednesday night. It's crazy, but we're here to work on the old truck to try and get the heads off, see what damage is done down below, and to begin. Jason Hurley?
Yes.
Tell me what you think about that spark plug.
So, see, what happened was there was this piston one time and there was this spark plug one time. They were kind of attracted to each other.
Yeah.
And that piston smashed the shit out of that spark plug.
I've had some Friday nights like that. Well, and to begin really kind of tearing it apart to get ready to put the new short block in. So, if you haven't seen the video, Steven tore it up. Big time. It was great. Parts and pieces were everywhere. It was awesome. No holes in the block though, so that's kind of a plus.
Yeah.
So anyways, time for the teardown.
Oh yeah. Oh. You. Oh God, dude.
Hold on, your head's in the way.
Sorry.
Oh wow. Oh,
Look at that,
dude.
look at that nugget.
The piston delete, bud.
Ooh.
Good Lord.
Oh, bench trays and stuff. Yeah, that stuff.
Oh, look at how beat up that piston is too.
Let's look at the valves.
Holy jeez. I think there were pieces in that one.
Yeah, there's still pieces in that one.
Oh my gosh.
There's some more there.
Back your head up just a little bit.
Sorry.
Wow. Damn. Hey man,
Look,
how cool is that?
That's first time ever, man. Dude, this right here is wild to me.
Yeah, that's a huge chunk of piston.
Just beating on it.
Nope. You was wrong. Piston delete number 2. Oh my God, dude.
Oh, that hit, dude. I think that's coming out.
Nice. It's everywhere.
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 Hold on.
What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna pull the tray out.
Oh, dude. I don't know if you can see it.
Hey, all the way to the floor.
There's a piston ring. Yep, that's it. Ah, shit. Another one. I want them to come with me. Yeah,
That chunky stuff in it.
that's a good sign. Factory, baby.
Wow.
Look down in that tray area.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
What ain't that bad?
Nah, ain't that bad.
And there it is.
Oh, man. Wow.
Oh, that's a bit. That side's definitely worse.
Of all the stuff we've ever done, this is the first motor we've completely blown up. So, you know, pretty good stuff for the years of beatings we've given these vehicles, and absolutely crazy. So we're pulling the lifters, see what is going to be the case for them.
Just why, man?
It's so close.
I know it.
Oh, there you go. Lock jaws.
You're right.
Dude, no way.
That one ain't even broke. What? Oh, there it is. There it is cracked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Not as bad as that one.
So it's got a little crack right here that runs down. Oh, man, no, all the way down.
Oh, nice.
Runs all the way through here. All right, hey, big shout out to our boy Luke B at Howard's Cams, who overnighted us a cam kit, cam and push rods to the track at Tulsa. I want to say thanks to him. Sadly, it was supposed to rain all day Friday originally, and then when that happened, we were like, man, we don't want to change the engine in the rain and do all that stuff. So we elected to just Steven and Blake go ahead and go home. But Howard or Luke already had this in the mix, so I want to say big shout out to him for making that happen. I mean, like,
we should have just stayed and did it. We know other people did. We'll do better next time.
Yeah, that's what we should have done for real. If I hadn't been pushing for them to go ahead and take Blake's truck, they probably would have stayed. But big shout out to him. The plan next, which probably will not be on video, is to do the cam swap in the block we got from the Maxons. Get it ready to go in, valve springs on the new heads bolted on, all that kind of stuff, and then we'll be back for another video with the engines being swapped. So hope you enjoyed the piston delete mod. It's the first time we've torn something up like that.
Yeah, I agree. I've taken them apart like that, but I've never torn one apart.
Yeah,
or never blew one up.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Yep.
Gotta say that's pretty wild to see, and just absolutely, I mean, there's no piston left at all on that rod. So pretty awesome. So once we get it out and all that and get the new motor in, probably through the circuit, we'll pull the bottom end apart, see if we bent some rods on the other stuff, see if we broke other piston rings or pistons at all, and all that'll be coming later. So all right, the next event up for Stanley is the circuit, June 26th through 29th, put on by Drag Driver Pete, and Tulsa, Mocan, 300 miles, 3 days. Gonna be absolutely insane. It's probably it may be the biggest regional event in Drag and Drive.
No.
So,
and it's
cool.
great fun.
Yeah, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Lots of stuff coming.
Thanks, guys.